back to my channel, and this is June. Today is October 24, which means my birthday is coming tomorrow. I can't tell I am really excited or not because I'm turning 23. It's 20 freaking 3. I feel like my 18th birthday was like yesterday or something, I don't know. However, I just received my first birthday present from my boyfriend, so I'm gonna unbox this and let's see what it is. So without further ado, let's do it. The Crocs, this cute little Crocs. I like it so much. And I ordered some ribbons to decorate it. Actually, I wanted to do something like this, so I ordered some ribbons and some gibbets. Okay, so I just finished one side. I think it's not bad. So I also just finished the left side. Right now, I'm going to paint my nails. You get me open. I'm so devoted. So guys, this is the final result. I did 2 layers. It's not really perfect and some area is not even, but I think it's not bad. Then I want to buy some cake and flowers. So yesterday I bought this cute little cake, and this is the cake that my friends gave me last night, and I'm gonna take some pictures with this. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. Damn. So cute, strawberry cake. And right now I'm gonna do the birthday transition TikTok video with this cake. In your YouTube feed. Rob Harper, thank you for the $2 super chat. I just finished my makeup and I'm gonna do the rest of the transition video, and I think I'm gonna take some picture on my bed with the cake.